Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about Kansas today. Yesterday was Oklahoma. We talked about the severe weather. Now today we're talking about Kansas. To start out today, we have a severe thunderstorm watch. It's not put out by National Weather Service, but I put out a severe thunderstorm watch for until 5 p.m. for most places because of the radar. So that includes Wichita and places surrounding Wichita like Newton, Jetmore, Sidon. So this is all in Kansas I'm talking about. So let's pull up the severe weather. Actually, before we do, we want to look at radar real quick. So we see there is a this is the only reason why we have severe thunderstorm watch, because of these thunderstorms right here in Wichita and south of Wichita. Those are the only reasons we have a severe thunderstorm watch. Also, I put out a tornado watch too for this area too for Oklahoma. That's only for Oklahoma, not Kansas, so I just want to mention that real quick. But yeah. But we have some severe thunderstorms coming through. It's not supposed to be the main line. If it is, then National Weather Service was wrong. So this isn't supposed to be the main line that comes through because that's what they said. But so don't let your guard down, Oklahoma. The only reason I didn't put anything as Oklahoma because I'm just in the severe weather risk for Kansas, nowhere else. But Oklahoma, you guys would probably have an enhanced risk, or the same thing I said for yesterday for you guys, a moderate risk. But today we have an enhanced risk for Kansas, including Wichita, almost Topeka, but not including Topeka. Almost did. Hutchinson, Newton, Dodge City, Ringsburg, Garden City, and some of those places is what I put out an enhanced risk for, because we're going to possibly be seeing some supercells develop in that enhanced area and maybe even more north of there. So, and then later tonight or this evening, we'll start heading down more south into Wichita marginal risk, and yeah, for that area, we have a slight risk. So let's show future radar. This is about now. This one's a little off. It's more toward down more south. It's a little off, but this is what they're saying that it's supposed to look like right now. And then this is a few hours later. This is not an hour later. This is a few hours later. We see some supercells develop in Kansas, and then some more northern Kansas. And then we see them start to go south into the area that I put out as an enhanced region, and we could be seeing probably large hail and tornadoes possible in that area. Possible. Can't say for sure, but they're possible. And I think maybe some damaging wind later in this, once the storm. Then look at this. Some more supercells develop in that area, and then some thunderstorms up in that area of Kansas. That's the reason why I put out an enhanced risk. Then we move it. Then some more thunderstorms. These are some thunderstorms near southeastern Kansas or eastern Kansas. We see some thunderstorms getting into Missouri too. So yeah. And then we see the strong thunderstorms in Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas. And then this turns into a line of damaging winds and maybe some hail for Oklahoma, a little bit of Texas, and Kansas, and a little bit of Missouri. But we're watching Kansas for possible severe weather in that area. Then it continues to go through southeastern Kansas as it continues, and maybe some rain showers, but yeah. Then we still see some thunderstorms in southeastern Kansas, still, but not much, but still some storms can contain damaging winds, large hail, and some can produce some tornadoes. Then we should be clearing out maybe a couple of thunderstorms, or it's going to be more rain after that. It shouldn't be any more severe weather. there could be more rain develop in northern Kansas, as of what it says right up here. The threats for Wichita, Kansas. We see damaging wind, a high risk, hail, a medium risk, tornado, medium risk. But we can't say for sure there'll be a big risk of tornadoes. We can't say for sure. Topeka, Kansas. Damaging wind, medium risk. Hail, medium risk. And tornadoes low, because I think it will be a lower threat there in Topeka. I don't even think you guys will get much, but just in case you do get something, that's why. Those are your primary threats if you're in any of those areas. So be cautious if you're in this severe thunderstorm watch. Most likely later there'll be probably severe thunderstorm watch if that's the case. So that future radar that we have here, or we showed you. If you're in the enhanced area, I'd really watch very closely for damaging or hail and tornadoes possibly, and maybe even that damaging wind threat. So, and then when it moves off into southern Kansas, that's when I'll be just cautious for damaging wind and maybe some hail. I don't think there'll be a tornado threat after that. I think it's just going to be the first part of the storm that makes me think that there could be a tornado threat. So be cautious. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do more of this, as I've been doing the last 2 days. And thank you guys for watching.